Welcome to Elevate Experiences YouTube channel. I'm Jordan and I'm gonna share one of our new favorite games called Yellebrate. So whether you're kicking off the new year with your team or you're hoping to engage guests at your Super Bowl party or you just wanna get everyone engaged at your next event, this game is for you. So let me tell you the rules to Yellebrate. This game is all about celebrating one another. So it brings a lot of energy just to get everybody in the room celebrating each other and acknowledging that you're all together. What you will do is somebody will host the game and they will say a statement. And if that statement applies to you, you raise your hand. For example, maybe the host will say, I'm an only child, or I have run a 5K, or I love sports. And so if that applies to you, you raise your hand. The very first person who raises their hand, the host will call on you and say, what is your name? You shout your name out and then the entire room will start chanting your name and clapping and cheering. So let's say the person's name is Billy. Everyone will be like, Billy, Billy, and start clapping and going crazy. And then when Billy gives 2 thumbs up, that signifies that they feel celebrated and satisfied and that they loved it. If you are leading the game, these are the things you need to remember. First of all, to have your list of questions, so you have exactly how many rounds you're gonna do. Secondly, you wanna keep your eyes peeled to see who's raising their hand first, so you can call on them so that you have a definitive participant. And then after everyone's cheered for that person, they give the thumbs up. Thirdly, you wanna make sure to bring everybody back in so that you can do the next round and so that you can lead the entire experience with efficiency. So the great thing about Yellebrate is that you can customize the game to the experience that you're leading. So coming out of New Year's, you might want to maintain energy with your team and center the game around goal setting, or maybe you're getting ready for a Super Bowl party and you want to go ahead and have something prepared so that you can have fun together. So with New Year's, you could ask a question like, raise your hand if you've set at least 3 goals, or raise your hand if you love New Year's parties. And then maybe for the Super Bowl, you could say, raise your hand if you only watch the Super Bowl to see the halftime show, because let's be honest. Or raise your hand if your favorite thing about Super Bowl is the commercials. So you can customize your list of questions based on the experience that you're leading. So that's another great thing about Yellebrate. All right, at Elevate, we create new games as a resource for you to help you lead people in moments of engagement. So our heart behind this is to equip you with ways to help others connect at your events, team meetings, or group gatherings. Yellebrate is just one of the many games that we play with both large and small groups. In fact, we have an entire playlist with instructional videos on how to play and lead engaging games. So subscribe to our channel so you can take advantage of this valuable content. We know these videos will help you take your crowd engagement, icebreakers, and events to a new level. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, let us know by giving us a thumbs up below. Thanks for watching and have fun as you lead Yellebrate at your next group gathering.